Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Louisville Muhammad Ali International Airport here in the beautiful state of Kentucky, where I'm getting ready to head back on my flight on a Delta, Boeing 737-900 and Airbus A321 down to West Palm Beach. Now I will say out of the gate, I'm a little disappointed that Delta didn't have a more seamless check-in process here. They didn't really provide any kiosks to self-tag your bags, and the lines got a bit long. Now, the airport isn't that busy in general, but if it does get busy, it could be a bit of a wait, so I'd arrive a bit earlier to your flight here if you're flying Delta. Our gate for this afternoon's departure is gate A3, and we will be on Delta flight 1611 with service to Atlanta. Now you may be asking why you're not seeing boarding footage right now. About that. Why do cameras always decide to stop recording at the worst times? Anyway, welcome aboard the Delta Boeing 737-900. Today we are sitting up in first class in seat 4B. Delta First Class seems to still be going COVID style with water bottles at each seat. No pre-departure beverages back just yet, but hopefully it comes back soon. Two universal plugs are found in between the two seats in front of you. So luckily you don't have to reach under in that weird awkward position to try to find that outlet. The legroom was pretty good. It wasn't anything crazy or out of this world, but I'd take it for a short domestic hop. It is so cool passing by all these UPS planes here at Louisville Airport. If you didn't know, Louisville is the hub for all worldwide UPS operations, and it's just crazy how many flights they could run out of here at a 2-hour time period in the middle of the night. Please enjoy our takeoff from what runway I don't even know, from Louisville Muhammad Ali International Airport. No meals were provided on this flight, but I wouldn't have expected it even before the pandemic, but a nice kind bar was appreciated. And please enjoy our landing into the world's busiest airport, Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson.
It's a pleasure welcoming you to Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport with another early arrival.
After our arrival in Atlanta, it was time for us to head out to try to make our connecting flight down to West Palm Beach. Delta really knows how to run an operation here in Atlanta. It's just crazy how it's always busy. But no access here today because domestic first class passengers do not get access to Delta Sky Clubs. Soon enough, we were called to board our second Delta flight of the day down to Palm Beach. Welcome aboard the Delta Airbus A321. I will say this, the mood lighting and the whole cabin ambiance is so much better on the Airbus aircraft than the Boeing aircraft in my opinion. My seat for tonight's flight down to West Palm Beach is going to be 4D.
If necessary, breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing.
Please enjoy our takeoff from Atlanta, Hartsfield, Jackson. As on most Delta mainline aircraft, live TV was offered. There was also Wi-Fi, but it was pretty expensive, so I didn't purchase it. And just like on our other flight, some little snacks were handed out just before landing. Please enjoy our approach and landing into runway 28 right at West Palm Beach. As we pull into the gate, let's debrief here. I enjoyed the Delta first class experience. Yeah, it was cut a little short with no pre-departure beverages, but all in all, it was a pretty good experience. I have no real complaints, and to get around the country domestically at a good price, I'd take it any day. Now, if I was given the direct option to fly this across the country, opposed to other airlines and products like JetBlue Mint or even United Polaris, I would pick that. However, I really did like Delta's product, and I'd happily fly it again on these short hops up and down the coast.